Hey there, I'm Lisa. Thank you for joining me at my brand new YouTube channel. I'm so excited to be here with you. I am a lifestyle, editorial, and portrait photographer. I'm also the founder of the Goldenbrand Studio and the Self-Portrait Studio, which is a membership for women learning to heal through the art of self-portrait photography. A couple fun facts about me. I live in the Pacific Northwest with my family and our 2 rescued border collies. In addition to running the Self-Portrait Studio, I also work with a wonderful roster of clients doing everything from interior to lifestyle and brand photography, and I shoot them all virtually. So I have a lot of really great content that I'm excited to show you. I'm going to take you behind the scenes and show you how I come up with my own personal self-portrait sessions. I'm going to show you everything from the mood board to the concept to the shooting, behind the scenes, and then the editing process. I'm also going to take you behind the scenes of the Self-Portrait Studio to show you what the members inside the studio are working on with their own self-portraits. I'm going to share some virtual photo shoots with you, give you all my best editing tips and tools, and so much more. So I'm really, really happy that you're here. Here's a little taste of what you can expect, and let's go take a look.